Ever felt overwhelmed by the clutter in your home? Imagine your living space as a symphony orchestra where every item has its own place and role, contributing to a harmonious environment. Envision a world where your socks aren't playing hide and seek, and your keys aren't embarking unauthorized vacations. Quite charming, isn't it? Let's delve into the many benefits of home organization. Visualize your home as an orchestra, where each instrument or item has a specific place and purpose. When everything is in harmony, the music, or in this case our daily routine, flows beautifully. However, when a violin screeches or a cymbal crashes unexpectedly, it disrupts the whole performance. This is precisely what happens when our homes are disorganized. Our daily lives become a cacophony of misplaced items and wasted time. Welcome to SmartLife Solutions channel. We're here to guide you on your journey towards a more organized and stress-free life. If you're new here, it's a pleasure to have you. We're all about transforming your living spaces into a harmonious symphony, and we're thrilled to have you join us on this exciting journey. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button to stay updated with our latest tips and tricks on home organization. You'll be amazed at how simple tweaks can make your daily routine a breeze and your home a place you truly love. So, are you ready to say goodbye to the chaos and hello to harmony? Great. Let's dive into the magical world of organization together. Now picture knowing exactly where the garlic press is when you're in the middle of cooking a gourmet meal, or not having to upturn your house searching for that one specific screwdriver. That is the true beauty of organization. It's akin to having a well-conducted orchestra right at your fingertips. Organizing your home can gift you precious time, eliminating frantic searches for lost items or time wasted on tidying up unnecessary clutter. It's akin to fast-forwarding through the dull parts of a movie to reach the exciting scenes. Besides saving time, a well-organized home significantly reduces stress. It's challenging to relax when you're surrounded by chaos, but when everything is in its place, your home transforms into a sanctuary, a place to unwind and recharge. It's like swapping a thrash metal concert for a soothing symphony performance. A well-organized home goes beyond efficiency and stress reduction. It's about crafting an environment that you genuinely enjoy living in. A place where you can invite friends over without having to embark on a frantic cleaning spree or spend a lazy Sunday without feeling guilty about the mess. It's akin to residing in a symphony that plays your favorite tune every day. Ready to transform your cluttered jungle into a harmonious symphony? Let's explore our top 10 organization ideas for your home. Like a maestro conducting a symphony, let's orchestrate some order with our first organization tip. Tip 1. Think of your clutter like a crowd at a rock concert. It's all fun and games until someone loses a shoe, right? So, let's introduce some crowd control with storage bins. Just like a rock band uses a set list to keep their songs in order, you can use storage bins to keep your items neatly contained. It's like playing a real-life version of Tetris, making everything fit perfectly and leaving no space unused. Moving on to the second tip, let's talk labels. Labeling is like naming your pets. You wouldn't want to mix up your goldfish with your hamster, would you? Same goes for your items. By assigning a name or a label to each bin or shelf, you'll never have to play a guessing game when looking for your winter clothes or holiday decorations. Our third tip is all about the art of decluttering. Picture it like pruning a bonsai tree. Just as you would remove unnecessary branches to maintain the tree's shape and health, you need to regularly remove unused items from your home to keep it neat and tidy. Tip 4 takes us into the kitchen. Organizing your pantry is like arranging your favorite books on a shelf. You wouldn't put your cherished first edition of Pride and Prejudice behind a pile of magazines, would you? Similarly, keep your most used ingredients in front and center, easily accessible. The fifth tip is about using vertical space wisely. Think of it as scaling a mountain. The climber doesn't just stick to the foot of the mountain, they go upwards. Similarly, use your walls, the backs of doors, and high shelves to expand your storage options. Next, we have tip 6. It's about creating zones in your home. It's like a zoo where each animal has its habitat. In your home, each activity should have its zone. Homework zone, craft zone, reading zone, you get the idea. This way, you'll always know where to find the tools you need for each activity. For our 7th tip, we delve into the world of color coding. Imagine your closet as a rainbow, with each color leading naturally to the next. It's not just pleasing to the eye, but it also makes it a breeze to find that green sweater on a chilly morning. Tip 8 is all about making the most of hidden storage. Think of it like a secret garden tucked away behind a wall or under the stairs. Utilize these hidden spaces to store items that aren't needed daily, but still need a home. Our 9th tip is to maintain a donate box. Picture it as a ship setting sail to a new land. The items you no longer need can start a new life in a new home. Regularly donating unused items keeps your home clutter-free and helps those in need. Finally, we arrive at tip 10. It's all about consistency. Maintaining an organized home is like tending to a garden. You can't just plant the seeds and walk away. You need to water it, prune it, and take care of it regularly. Similarly, take a few minutes each day to tidy up and maintain the order you've created. And there you have it, folks. 10 ways to make your home as harmonious as a symphony. So, ready to swap your jungle vines for a conductor's baton? By now, you should be brimming with ideas on turning your home into a beacon of organization. We've walked through the chaos that can reign when things are left to their own devices, but also unveiled the magic that can unfold with a little order. From the top 10 organization ideas, we've learned that everything has its place, much like in an orchestra. Each instrument, each note has a role to play in creating a harmonious symphony. Similarly, when everything in your home has its place, when every item plays its part, your living space becomes a harmonious symphony of order and tranquility. The benefits of home organization are far-reaching. It's not just about clearing clutter, it's about creating a sense of calm, boosting productivity, and making your house truly feel like home. Remember, every maestro needs practice, so take it one step at a time and soon your home will be playing your favorite symphony of organization. Enjoyed our organization tips? We hope you're feeling inspired to conduct your own home orchestra, but wait, there's more. If you haven't already, make sure to subscribe to the SmartLife Solutions channel, where we share a wealth of tips to help you live smarter, not harder. Our channel covers a wide variety of topics, ranging from home organization to health and wellness, personal finance, and much more. We're all about solutions that work for real people in real life. So, don't miss out on our next video. Hit that subscribe button now and become a part of our growing community. Let's make life simpler, together.